I have spent months testing every automatic editor on the market, from basic trimmers to flashy web apps, but nothing has made my workflow feel as effortless as Vizard. The problem is that most creators are using these AI tools completely wrong, treating them like simple clip choppers rather than powerful production partners. We are not just talking about hacking up a long YouTube video into random 30-second snippets for the sake of it. I am talking about transforming your long-form content into polished, platform-ready shorts that genuinely grab attention, keep viewers glued to the screen, and rapidly grow your channel. By the time we finish this video, you will possess a repeatable playbook consisting of 15 practical tactics that unlock the true potential of Vizard. We will cover portrait clips, product demos, text-heavy social posts, surgical edits, maintaining character consistency, and so much more. Open Vizard right now, and let's go through these together. If you already have a video uploaded, great, but if not, just drop a long file into the interface to begin. The interface is straightforward, with a clean timeline, auto highlights, export presets, and a content calendar at your fingertips. But here is the hard truth. Speed and a clean UI mean absolutely nothing if you do not know how to effectively communicate with the tool. I have watched people blindly click auto-generate and then wonder why they end up with dull, lifeless cuts. After running over 100 experiments in just 2 weeks, I discovered that every winning short follows the same 6-element pattern. Those elements are subject, moment, context, style, pacing, and the crucial micro details. Miss even one of those, and your clip will feel flat. But nail all 6, and Vizard will know exactly which frames to surface. First is the subject, which is who or what is the focal point of the shot. Instead of just saying a person, get specific, like a 28-year-old creator answering a question. Next is the moment, which gives the clip its purpose, like a joke, a surprising stat, or a how-to step. Then comes context, which sets the scene, whether it is a home office or a product demo table. Style is your 4th element, telling Vizard whether to favor cinematic looks, vlog-style motion, or meme-ready edits. Pacing handles the rhythm, deciding if we want fast jump cuts or lingering reactions to build tension. Finally, the micro details like caption timing and zoom levels are what make the difference between an amateur edit and a professional piece. Think of a bad prompt like "make a short for my video" versus a good one that defines those 6 specific components. Now let's look at technique number 1, portrait punchlines. To get a clean headshot for LinkedIn or Instagram, tell Vizard to prioritize eye contact and stable audio. Pro tip: force a sharp face focus in your clip rules. Otherwise, the tool might accidentally pick a wide angle that makes you look too distant. Technique number 2 is all about product demos that remove doubt. Use the tool to isolate close-ups on a clean tabletop, highlighting specific buttons and textures to give the viewer clarity. When you need multiple angles, run batch exports using the same base clip, but change the crop to top-down and close-up views. Technique 3 is perfect for space and architecture walkthroughs. You want to identify room reveals and smooth transitions, so ask for wide shots that capture the entire space. If the source footage feels flat, add a note to include a warm afternoon grade to create a sense of depth. Technique 4 handles landscapes and travel clips by layering your foreground, midground, and background. Tell Vizard to extract sequences with natural movement, like walking or water reflections during golden hour. Technique 5 is for text-first social posts, where hierarchy matters. Set your hierarchy to headline first and one-liners second, keeping the text short and punchy for the reader. For Technique 6, we use surgical edits and background swaps. Upload a reference frame and tell the AI to preserve the subject while swapping the background to a sunset. The secret here is consistency. Specify matching lighting to avoid your subject looking mismatched against the new background. Technique 7 involves style transfers to give your clips a cinematic film or anime feel. Instead of using vague filters, Ask for specific techniques like Orton Glow with warm highlights to get that handcrafted texture. Technique 8 helps with group moments and interviews, where you need everyone in the frame to be readable. Ensure you maintain facial uniqueness and even front lighting to keep the shot professional and clear. For Technique 9, create brand-friendly lifestyle clips that look lived in. Ask for a shallow depth of field focusing on the product, which leaves space for your logo overlays later. Technique 10 is for surreal transitions, like liquid metal reveals or spiraling forms. The key is controlling the chaos by specifying the direction of movement and the contrast of colors. Technique 11 focuses on rapid experiment workflows, helping you churn out 10 variations in under 2 minutes. Build a base template with your hook and export presets, then swap the variables every time you generate a new set. Technique 12 is for multi-angle e-commerce sets, ensuring consistent color and scale across your catalog. Always specify your hex codes if you need to keep the product color perfect throughout the batch export. Technique 13 maintains character consistency across your series. Use a reference clip and force the AI to match facial features and clothing to avoid unwanted drift in your recurring host. Technique 14 is perfect for virtual try-ons and testing outfit changes. Upload a photo of your subject and request outfit swaps while keeping the body and lighting identical. Technique 15 is the ultimate growth hack, mastering the content calendar. Don't just edit. Use the calendar to schedule your clips across platforms based on your best engagement windows. This is where Vizard separates itself from other editors, by bridging the gap between creating and publishing. While competitors are great at one thing like transcription or free tools, Vizard excels at the entire pipeline. It sits perfectly between simplicity and total control, automating the tedious parts of your growth strategy. Always remember that knowing how to edit with AI is a skill as essential as knowing how to use a search engine. If you are still hitting auto-generate and hoping for the best, you are leaving valuable views on the table. Follow this playbook of 15 tactics: subject, moment, context, style, pacing, and those vital micro details. I have put together a set of ready-made Vizard templates that follow these exact techniques, and I have linked them for you below. Try them out, tweak the variables, and watch how you cut your editing time in half while your performance numbers skyrocket. If this helped you, hit the subscribe button and I will keep testing these tools so you do not have to waste your time. No fluff, just results, and I will see you in the next one.